In the ever-evolving landscape of home cleaning solutions, this Wagner Spraytech 915e on-demand steam cleaner and wallpaper removal stands out as a versatile and powerful tool designed to tackle a myriad of cleaning tasks. This multipurpose power steamer, with its 18 included attachments, promises to revolutionize the way you approach household cleaning and maintenance. Let's delve into a detailed review to see how this product lives up to its claims. One of the primary appeals of the Wagner 915e is its commitment to chemical-free cleaning. In an era where consumers are increasingly concerned about the environmental and health impacts of cleaning chemicals, this steamer provides a refreshing alternative. By using only distilled water, the Wagner 915e produces high-temperature steam that effectively loosens and dissolves grease, grime, and dirt from various surfaces. This makes it a particularly attractive option for households with children and pets, where minimizing exposure to harsh chemicals is a priority. The Wagner 915e comes equipped with an impressive array of 18 accessories and nozzles, each designed to enhance the steamer's versatility. Whether you're cleaning grout in the bathroom, degreasing kitchen appliances, or freshening up upholstery, there's an attachment to suit every task. Some notable inclusions are large cleaning brush and mop pad, ideal for cleaning expansive floor areas. Window and tile squeegee, perfect for streak-free cleaning of glass surfaces and tiles. Fabric steamer and microfiber bonnet for refreshing curtains, clothes, and upholstery. Jet nozzle and nylon utility brushes to tackle tough grime in tight spaces. Brass utility brushes for heavy-duty cleaning on grills and outdoor furniture. One of the standout features of the Wagner 915e is its ability to strip wallpaper with ease. The included wallpaper steam plate effectively softens wallpaper adhesive, allowing for quick and effortless removal without the need for harsh chemicals. The 8-foot steam hose provides ample length to reach high walls, making it suitable for large and small rooms alike. The Wagner 915e boasts a high temperature output, heating water to 212 degrees Fahrenheit in under 9 minutes. Once heated, it offers up to 40 continuous minutes of steam, ensuring you have ample time to complete extensive cleaning tasks without frequent refills. This efficiency is further enhanced by the steamer's large 40-ounce water tank. User-friendliness is another strong suit of the Wagner 915e. The setup process is straightforward. Attach your chosen accessory, fill the tank with up to 40 ounces of distilled water, and turn the steamer on. The orange indicator light informs you when the steamer is ready for use and signals when it's building up steam during operation. This intuitive design makes it accessible even for those who may not be particularly tech-savvy. In practical use, the Wagner 915e lives up to its multipurpose billing. Homeowners have reported impressive results across a variety of cleaning scenarios. Kitchen countertops and appliances, often breeding grounds for stubborn grease and grime, are left sparkling clean. Bathrooms, with their challenging grout and tile surfaces, see a marked improvement in cleanliness and hygiene. The ability to clean windows without streaks is another frequently praised feature. Outdoors, the steamer proves equally effective. Barbecue grills, often caked in tuff to remove residues, are restored to their former glory. Outdoor furniture, too, benefits from the deep cleaning power of steam, making this a truly versatile tool for both indoor and outdoor use. Conclusion: the Wagner Spraytech 915e on-demand steam cleaner and wallpaper removal is a standout product in the realm of home cleaning tools. Its chemical-free operation, extensive range of attachments, and impressive performance across a variety of surfaces make it a valuable addition to any household. Whether you're looking to deep clean your home, freshen up your upholstery, or tackle the daunting task of wallpaper removal, this steamer is up to the challenge. Final verdict: investing in the Wagner 915e means investing in a cleaner, healthier home environment. Its versatility, ease of use, and effective cleaning power ensure that it delivers excellent value for money. Embrace the power of steam and transform your cleaning routine with the Wagner 915e. Your home, and your peace of mind will thank you. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.